Hi, I'm Dan Lawson with AB Homes, and a question that we get over and over again is how much does it cost to own a home in Isle of Wight County? So Isle of Wight County has been getting a ton of attention lately. We are getting a lot of influx of people moving here from all over the area. People are coming from Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth. That is driving the home prices up in this community. However, you can still get in an entry-level home for relatively little money. So entry-level homes in this area is gonna start around $350 up to about $425. This is probably gonna get you a smaller home, maybe an older home, which would be perfect for a starter home or if you're downsized and moving to the area. Most of these are gonna be 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. So for a mid-range home, what do you expect to pay in Isle of Wight County? Somewhere between $425 and $575. In that price range, you're gonna find larger, more modern homes with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths typically, and sometimes a little more land. So another option if you move into Isle of Wight County is new construction. There are a lot of builders in Isle of Wight building currently. Most of them are large neighborhood builders, so you get a cookie cutter house on a very small lot. Another option is to check out AB Homes. AB Homes, a local construction company, has been working in Isle of Wight County and the surrounding areas for over a decade. We specialize in building custom homes on large rural lots. We love building in Isle of Wight County and the rural parts of the area. You get a lot of land, you get a nice custom home, no HOAs, no POAs, all the modern amenities that you would expect in a new custom home, and the price is still pretty reasonable. Most of our buyers in this area are spending between $550,000 and $700,000 to get their new custom home built. And what you get for that is a load of standard features that most other builders would consider upgrades. If you're looking for something a little larger in Isle of Wight County, a couple acres plus, you're probably gonna be starting around $600 and go up from there. So if any of this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to learn more about building a new custom home in Isle of Wight County, we would love to hear from you. You can find us on the web at abhomesva.com. You can reach me personally on my cell phone at 757-435-9900, or you can click the link below and that'll give you everything you need to know on how to start your journey to being an AB home owner.